What makes RAPTOR the best multi-use protective coating on the planet? Simple. RAPTOR offers the most comprehensive range of protective coating products available. Let's take a look at the different RAPTOR products. RAPTOR Tough Protective Coating is perfect for those who want to restore their truck bed from soup to nuts. With its easy-to-use two-part formula, RAPTOR 2K Bed Liner offers superior durability, chemical resistance, and UV protection. It's also incredibly easy to apply, so you don't need to be a professional to get great results. If you're looking to give your wheels or rims a new lease on life, RAPTOR 2K Aerosol is the best way to go. This 2K black coating is specially designed to resist chipping, peeling, and fading, even in extreme weather conditions. When it comes to restoring larger vehicles or items, RAPTOR 2K is the perfect choice. 2K urethane coating offers outstanding adhesion and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for use on any surface. And with its excellent coverage and durability, you can be sure you'll have 2K level protection for years to come. If you're looking to improve traction control on your running boards, truck bed, trailer, dock, or boat, or any other slippery surface, RAPTOR Traction Slip Resistant Additive is for you. This unique coating features a textured surface that provides excellent grip even in wet conditions. And with their UV-resistant formula and long-lasting durability, you can be confident that your surfaces will stay protected and slip-resistant for years to come. Tough is as tough does. A complete range of RAPTOR products available to make whatever you need as tough as you need it. No matter what your project is, RAPTOR has a solution that's perfect for you.